everyone and welcome to a full-length YouTube video. I haven't done one of these in a while. I don't know if I've done one in this specific format in like forever, like using actual studio stuff. But I recently have been posting a lot of videos to shorts, and literally within a week I have gone from 1k subscribers to 14,000, which is like huge in my mind. And I've just really felt like an outpour of love and support on this platform, so I just wanted to say thank you so much for that. Today I thought we would do a part 5 to the TikTok filters choose my makeup. For anybody who hasn't seen this, the first 4 parts are on my shorts and you can find that over there. And I thought because people have been asking for more, it was kind of worth it to make it like a YouTube exclusive full-length video. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you haven't seen this trend, it's been really popular on TikTok and like on a lot of platforms really. And it's basically, there's these TikTok filters and they randomize different parts of your makeup. So you can get eyeliner ones, you can get eyebrows, freckles, and it creates a completely randomized look. So you can get some really cool combos. This trend was originally started by Valeriya.eros, and also I have taken inspiration from Natashajanewood. These are 2 awesome makeup artists as well, and they have TikTok and they have other platforms. So please make sure that you check them out and show them some love, because I really love this trend. Like, it's really pushed me out of my comfort zone, and that's why I wanted to come on here and do a part 5. I realised that I've just been sat here talking and haven't actually introduced myself, like forgetting that people might have just followed me from one video. My name is Winter Rose. I do makeup content from beauty looks all the way up to the creative makeup. If you've seen my shorts, you will have seen like a good range. And I also have TikTok and Instagram as well as my YouTube. So TikTok has a lot of stuff like on my shorts, but there is more over there. I don't post everything from my TikTok to my shorts. So if you like that kind of content, there is more over there. So let's actually get into the fun part now. Let's get into the video. Let's get into the makeup. You will get to see all the filters get randomized. I'm going to make sure I film that on my phone at the same time so I can overlay it and you can see that. Okay, so here we have my base on, my foundation and concealer and some powder. I've just clipped my hair back and we're going to do eyebrows first. And I'm going to use the eyebrow filter that has the really questionable ones on it. Like, we're going to do that one. I think it's just funny, some of the eyebrows on it. So let's do this. Let me do this. Okay, eyebrows. Let's do eyebrows. Oh no! Oh no! This is not a good start. Oh dear. Well, the filter has spoken. Really scared for this one. It might actually end up being the first fail. It might be. This is not good. I'm gonna do them at the same time because if I don't, they're gonna end up odd, and we don't want that. We do not want that. Up. They're like McDonald's brows. And then back down, just get that curve. To be honest, it was a matter of time. It was a matter of time until we got a like questionable one. Here's the eyebrows in their whole glory. I don't even know if that's the right saying, but here they are, and I look so angry. Like, I'm smiling and I look scary. I can't take myself seriously. Next up, I'm going to do the emoji. Before we go on to the eyes, we're going to do the emoji blusher freckle thing. This is my favourite one. This is my favourite filter, so I want to do this one next. Emoji freckles. What are we going to get for the emoji freckles? Stars! Oh, they're really cute. I like them. Okay, so we've got the star emojis, a bit of yellow blusher, and some white freckles. So let's do that one. I like that one. So we'll do the blusher part first. I'm going to use the yellow from the Colourpop Fade Into Hue palette. This is like this is my favourite. So we're going to use this yellow down here, the shade Abstract. Literally just going to take it. Just blend it in there. Actually, a yellow called Big Smile, which has got a bit of shimmer. I think that would look really cute as well, so let's pop some of that on. I think that's cute. So I'm going to use my Mayttearaneda. Oh god, this is really like ditched, so don't judge me. The Life of a Face Painter. I'm going to use the yellow from my Mayttearaneda palette. So we're going to put a star here. Ooh. I've done one basic star shape, and now I need to recreate this on the other side. So let me figure that one out. I'm taking a white face paint now, mixed in. I'm gonna add it. It's just kind of like, yeah, not all the way down. Just a little bit of a highlight for the freckles. Ooh, that was a bit big. Doesn't matter too much. So there's the stars. There's a close-up of those stars and like the little freckles. You should be able to see those. So that's the emoji one. I think this is starting to redeem it already. I'm still nervous, but there is still time. There is still time to redeem this. Moving on. Next, I want to do the freckles on top of this. There's more of like a spread out creative freckle filter, so we're going to use that one as well. We'll do that one next and see, hopefully it complements this one. Hopefully. What are we going to get? Oh! I'm not even making this up. I just got stars. Like this is completely randomized. I swear on my life. There is also some actual freckles on that filter as well. So I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Retouch Magic Root Spray. If you haven't seen this, it's a hack that's been going around on TikTok, and you can basically make freckles from this. I like to shake it up a little bit. People say not to, but I like to. I think it mixes the pigment and like the liquid. Otherwise, I find that it just doesn't really do much. Cute! Oh my god, I love it. And then I just need to add those to the other side. So this is how it's looking so far. This has turned out so cute. Like, forget the eyebrows. I'm loving what's happening here. I can't believe how perfect it landed. I'm not going to do eyeshadow. I'm not feeling eyeshadow on this one. I don't think it's going to like... I don't think it's the vibe that we're having today. So let's just jump straight into graphic eyeliner. Let's see what we get for random graphic liner. For the black graphic liner. I'm nervous. Give me something good. Oh my god, that is so cute. And we can take it higher up as well to like go with the eyebrows, because we've got a lot of space to work with right now. Yeah, so complicated, but I can do it. Let's get on with this. Go up. And like doing this on camera as well. This is the double whammy this is. I'm gonna do both eyes at the same time because I don't want to make any mistakes with this and not have it even. We need to go from the inner corner. Don't want to go too high with this because the other one has to go over it. Okay, that is one eye with the first lot. So I'm gonna just do this eye first. Oh no, it's completely different. Oh no. Okay. Okay, I can fix this. I can fix this. To go down before it goes up. It needs to curve. That is the first one done. I now have to do the second lot of eyeliner that's sort of overlapping. This is going to be a little bit awkward because it just sort of start a little bit inwards compared to the other one. Start with this line. It needs to come to about here. Ooh, yeah, I have very creased eyelids. You can see that big blob now. This is not the best eyeliner for my eyes. Okay, I managed to clean it up as best as I could, and I've done it on the other eye, which went a lot better. Let's do face tattoos. We'll do face tattoos. Depending on how many I get on the first one, we may do like multiple of those. So let's do face tattoos next. Okay, face tattoos. Let's see what we get. Oh, a cloud! Okay, that's really cute. We've just got one up here. So let's add that in, and then I'll do some more as well. There we have a cloud. So we'll do another one on that one as well, just because it was literally so simple, and you can get more. So we will do some more on that. Face tattoos ×2. Let's see which one we get. Oh my god, as if we got another star. So we've got a star, just one up here. Okay, yeah, simple, just a little star. Let's do another one. Let's try and get some down here. face tattoos times 3. Oh my god, a planet. Okay, we've got a planet here. This is kind of like, there's a theme. There is a theme on this. I'm digging it. Boop. We have a planet. I think that eyebrows look fine now. I don't know. They don't look too bad now. Wouldn't wear them every day, but they don't look awful. Yeah, we'll leave it at 3. I think 3's enough. And then obviously we need to do lipstick. We have to do lipstick to finish off the look. That is the last thing that we have to do. So tell me which lipstick I'm going to be wearing today, TikTok. Let's find out. Go. Oh, bright red. Okay. It's a bit of a choice. I wouldn't have picked bright red to go with this. I probably would have picked like maybe a black colour or like a darker one. But yeah, the filter has spoken. It's kind of orangey red. Oh, it's kind of, yeah, it's very orange. So it might complement. It might be fine. It's got to be more orange toned. So let's find one. I need to find one. I think it's kind of similar, but yeah, like I said, nobody judged me, so I can't quite tell what shade it's meant to be. Is this one? And this is the MAC matte lipstick in the shade Chili. This is the one that I'm going to go for. I think it's the closest I'm gonna get. Okay, so I put some dramatic eyelashes on as well because I thought they fit quite well. And this is the finished look. You know what? I actually love it. Like the eyebrows, it's all come together. Like I did not mind the eyebrows now. I was so worried when I got those at first, but I think everything's complemented quite nicely. So despite them, I think it turned out really, really cute. Like a little star child or something. Like I just can't believe that I got a planet and stars and even a cloud. It all goes together. Like that was very, very lucky. I seem to have very good luck with these filters, so I'm very, very grateful about that. Not a fail. I would not call this a fail. I will take my hair down, but it will cover like the tattoos. Maybe I should leave it up. Cute. Literally love how this turned out so much. Like I can't get over it, but I want to know what you all think. If you love it or if you're not too keen on this one, let me know down in the comment section below. If you want me to do more of these, I absolutely can. Like they're so fun. They're really easy to film. They don't take a lot of time. So if you do want more, please do let me know and I will definitely do it. I can do them as full YouTube videos as well, or I can do them as shorts if people prefer the shorts. So yeah, definitely feel free to give me some feedback on that. Don't forget that you can also check me out on TikTok and Instagram. There is content over on both of those platforms that is exclusive to those platforms. And if you enjoyed today's video and you aren't already subscribed, please do consider clicking that subscribe button. The support is really, really appreciated. I still can't get over the amount of love that I have been shown on this platform, and I'm definitely looking forward to making more content on here. So make sure you keep an eye out for all of that, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!